Hello. Today we're going to be looking at graphing using the x and y intercepts for my function. Now, the x-intercept is defined as the spot or location on a coordinate plane where the graph is going to cross the x-axis. And the y-intercept is the same. It's just where the graph is going to cross the y-axis. Okay? And so we're going to use those two coordinate points in order to draw in the line that I have below. You know that any 2 points make a line, so it should only take one x-intercept and one y-intercept in order to make us this line. Alright, so let's find the x-intercept first. The x-intercept first. Now when I cross my x-axis, which is right here, that's the x-axis, be it at this spot right here, which is negative 7, 0, this spot here, which is 0, 0, maybe all the way over here, this is 6, 0. No matter which point I choose, there's a common theme, and that is that my y-coordinate in every single one of these spots is 0. So my x is some number, but my y results in 0. So what I'm going to do in order to figure out what my x-intercept is, I'm going to replace my y value with 0 in my equation. So 2 times x minus 4 times 0 equals 8. Now I know that 4 times 0 is 0, so 2x, when these cancels, becoming 0, is going to equal now 8. And then I solve for x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I get a result of x equals 4. Now I input a 0 for y, and my output was 4 for x, so I have an ordered pair of 4, 0. So my first point is at 4, 0. There it is. Now let's do the same thing for the y-intercept. Now it's the same principle, because there's my y-axis, and be I way up here at 0, 7, way down here at 0, negative 7, or somewhere in the middle at 0, negative 2. No matter where I am there, every single one of my points has an x value of 0. So x equals 0 for my y-intercept. Okay, and so I'm going to use that information just like I did in the other one, and I'm going to replace all of my x's with 0. So I'm going to have 2 times 0 minus 4 times y equals 8. And again, 2 times 0, anything times 0 becomes 0, it cancels. So negative 4y equals 8. And remember, the negative is with the 4y, even if it's a minus, but it's plus a negative. Okay, so we have to keep that there. And then we'll get y alone. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. And my result, y is equal to negative 2. And just like the other one, I have an ordered pair here. I input an x of 0, and I output a y of negative 2. Okay, so let's draw our line in. Well, I need to put 0, negative 2. There it is. Now, again, 2 points make a line, so I know that these 2 points should be on the line here, and let's draw that in. And that line right there, that is the graph for 2x minus 4y equals 8. And we are done.